Well, some Democratic lawmakers started a statewide tour of area hospitals yesterday to see how healthcare services could be impacted by cuts to the state budget. St. Joseph's Hospital in Park Rapids was the first stop, and Jamil Doneth tells us what legislators learned from the visit.
Rapid cycle improvement.
Minnesota DFL representatives are taking a closer look at how area hospitals like St. Joseph's in Park Rapids will be impacted by the proposed GOP budget bill.
These cuts could have a devastating impact on the work that St. Joseph's is doing.
St. Joseph's will face about $1.4 million in cuts, and the Minnesota Department of Revenue estimates that Dayton's tax proposal will impact 73 Hubbard County taxpayers.
There are going to be severe cuts, and we're trying to do them in a way that doesn't destroy places like St. Joseph's.
Minnesota Republicans say Dayton's tax proposal isn't an easy fix either, and that their proposal would actually change the way people pay for health care.
We want to preserve care. More importantly, we want to preserve access for folks all across the state of Minnesota.
St. Joseph's president and CEO says the GOP bill will cut 1/3 of the hospital's profits, which will affect the quality of the services St. Joseph's provides.
Those are always difficult things to think about, especially in a budget crisis, because that's some of that money is the first to go.
However, even DFL representatives say whether Dayton's budget proposal or the GOP proposal, cuts will be made to health care. The goal is to find out how much. Jamil Doneth, Lakeland News.
Minnesota lawmakers met with several Twin Cities hospitals today. The tour will continue for several weeks, and then the compiled data will be brought to the House and Senate to review.